Hey guys, so I got this 4K dash cam. So this is from Amazon by Toguard, and this is unboxing, installation, and my review in general. So let's see what's inside. And this has a parking monitor, 170-degree wide angle camera, and GPS logger. Thanks. Actual camera. So let's see it. And this is how it looks. Pretty big lens. Okay, and then inside we have well, different ways to attach it to your window, cable, charger, and again another way to attach it to your window. Some stickers again. Okay, and then we have, okay, so this is the okay, it looks like this is actually the GPS logger. That's how it looks like. It looks like it sticks on the window, and then you just attach the power on one side, the power on another side. So one goes into camera, the other one goes into the cigarette lighter. And then we have dash cam recording sticker and our manual. Looks like very, very detailed. Okay, so that's what's inside this Ultra HD 4K dash cam CE52G by Toguard. Let's get it installed. All right, so I got it installed. As you can see, it's hanging here on the window, and the power cable goes right up here. And I tucked it in under the roof, so it goes all the way underneath here. Plugs into the GPS module here, and again I tucked away right here into this seam. It goes all across, all the way down here. Now you can see the cable here. It comes underneath here, comes out and plugs into the cigarette lighter that I have just over here. Okay, so that's how I got it installed, and let's turn on the car now. Okay, so we have it turned on. Please insert the memory card. Okay, so we'll need to insert the memory card. This thing takes 32 gigabytes, which is the maximum. So you can't put more, like 64 or 128 or 256. It would have been nice if you can put in more, but unfortunately you can't. And it just goes right there. So, oh, not this way. Okay. Until the click. Oh, there you go. Now it clicked. All right, so this camera has a lot of settings here in the menu. We can, let me just go to the menu here. All right, so we have the video resolution, video quality, loop recording, travel lapse, white balance, contrast, exposure, timestamp, and then we also have parking monitor, G sensor, recording sound, volume. A lot of different settings here. GPS function, time zone, version. So a lot of different options here. Sensor set it high. Okay, and yeah, so it records. It shows the date and time. It shows you kilometers an hour. You can turn on or off your sound. So here it's recording with the sound, and then you can turn it off. It writes the footage in 4K, 25 frames per second, and we're gonna test it out, and I'm gonna show you the actual footage. So here I put it so it turns on after 10 seconds. But yeah, let's test it out. Let's see the footage during the day and at night as well. So now that you've seen the footage, I think during the day it's pretty good quality. You can see license plates, you can see a lot of detail. At night, I think it's not as good as, you know, your iPhone camera, for example, but I think it does its job. And if you were to get into an accident, you'll still be able to prove to your insurance company, you know, which car it was. You can still see license plates if you're close to the car. You have to kind of shine your lights on it. But other than that, I think the camera does its job. It's pretty compact, so I actually don't even notice it while I'm driving. Some of the things I wish it would do, it would take more than 32 gigabyte memory card, because it does shoot in 4K, and it could fill up pretty quickly. And especially if you have any sort of videos that you locked, it will overwrite them, right? So I wish the SD card could have been bigger, or you could fit in a bigger SD card. I think it would have been nice if they included the 32 gigabyte card with the product, because I mean, ultimately you want to open the box, install it, and it's ready to use. But that's not the case here. I had to get the SD card separately. Luckily I had it already, but if I wasn't, I have to wait another few days for it to arrive. So it would have been nice if they included it. I think what they should do next is a dual camera where you can get the footage from inside the cabin in 4K as well. I know there's cameras that shoot 1080p from, you know, the road, so from outside and inside, but there is nothing that shoots 4K both inside and outside. So I think that would be a really cool camera, especially for all those people who are driving for a living, like doing Uber or in Lyft. But no, other than that, it does its job. Hopefully it will last a long time. I'm not sure, but it looks like it's a solid build. So but we are having a really hot summer, so I'll be curious to see how long it will last in this kind of heat. The last dash camera I had lasted me probably 3 years. So it will be interesting to see how long this will last. Yeah, and if you have any questions about this camera, please reach out to me. You can write your question in the comments. I'll answer them there, or you can message me directly. Awesome. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.